How to get CDSCO license in India for medical devices. Hey everyone, if you're planning to manufacture or import medical devices in India, you've probably heard about Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, and honestly, the process can feel confusing. Questions like, which license do I need? How long will it take? How much will it cost? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step CDSCO registration process. Timelines. Costs, very important. Documents required. Common mistakes with real examples. Let's break it down in a simple, practical way. Part 1. Understanding CDSCO. Before we jump into the process, let's quickly understand the basics. CDSCO regulates medical devices under Medical Devices Rules 2017. Devices are classified into Class A, low risk, for example, bandages; Class B, low to moderate, for example, syringes; Class C, moderate to high, for example, stents; Class D, high risk, for example, pacemakers. Why this matters? Because your license type, documents, cost, and timeline all depend on this classification. Part 2. Step-by-step process. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Correct device classification. This is the most important step. Many companies get this wrong. For example, a product classified as Class B instead of Class C. Application rejected, months wasted. Always verify classification with CDSCO guidelines or experts. Step 2. Appoint Indian Authorized Agent for importers. If you're a foreign manufacturer, you must appoint an Indian Authorized Agent, IAA. This agent handles all communication with CDSCO. Without this, you cannot apply. Step 3. Register on SUGAM portal. All applications go through CDSCO's online system. Create account on SUGAM portal. Add company details. Upload initial documents. This step looks simple, but errors here can delay everything. Step 4. Prepare documentation. This is where most of the work happens. Key documents include Device Master File, DMF, Plant Master File, PMF, ISO 13485 certificate, Free Sale certificate, labeling and IFU undertakings and declarations. Think of this as your entire product story. Step 5. Submit application. Depending on your case, import license, MD14 or MD15. Manufacturing license, MD3 or MD5 or MD7 or MD9. Upload documents, pay government fees, submit application online. Step 6. Review by CDSCO. Now CDSCO will review documents, raise queries, very common, ask for clarifications. Most important, fast responses equals faster approval. Step 7. Grant of license. Once approved, you receive your CDSCO license. You can now legally manufacture or import and sell in India. Part 3. Timeline. Let's talk about realistic timelines. Class A, 1 to 2 months. Class B, 3 to 6 months. Class C and D, 6 to 9 months or more. But in reality, most applications take 6 to 12 months. Why? Because of documentation gaps, queries from CDSCO, incorrect classification. Part 4. Cost breakdown. Very important section. Let's talk money. Government fees. Approximate, varies. Application fee, $1,000 to $3,000. Per device fee, additional charges. Site registration fee, extra. Other costs. Documentation preparation, $2,000 to $10,000. Regulatory consultancy, $3,000 to $20,000. Testing, if required, $5,000 to $50,000. Total estimated cost typically ranges between $5,000 to $50,000 plus, depending on device class, complexity, number of devices. Part 5. Documents required. Here's a simplified checklist. Device master file, DMF, plant master file, PMF, ISO 13485 certificate, free sale certificate, power of attorney for importers, labeling and IFU, declaration of conformity. Expert tip: missing even one document can delay approval significantly. Part 6. Common mistakes. This is where most companies struggle. Mistake 1. Wrong classification. Example: a company classified a device as Class A. CDSCO said it's Class B. Result: application rejected. Restart process. 3 to 4 months delay. Mistake 2. Incomplete documentation. Example: missing PMF or incorrect DMF format. Result: multiple queries, delays, frustration. Mistake 3. Poor SUGAM submission. Example: wrong file format or incorrect upload. Result: application not accepted. Mistake 4. Choosing wrong agent. Example: unlicensed or inexperienced Indian agent. Result: compliance issues and delays. Mistake 5. Ignoring regulatory updates. CDSCO rules change frequently. Missing updates equals non-compliance risk. If you're planning to enter the Indian market, don't go through trial and error. A proper regulatory strategy can save you time, cost, stress. OMC Medical supports you with CDSCO classification, documentation, DMF, PMF, Indian Authorized Agent Services, end-to-end SUGAM submission, post-market compliance. If you're serious about getting your CDSCO license, talk to our experts today. Thanks for watching.